As per the US Department of Energy, if your home has proper roofing material, it can save a lot on utility bills, which can be as much as 20%, and it could also reduce thermal loss to a great extent. In this regard, torch-down roofing, made from modified bitumen, is an eco-friendly option that extends the longevity of your property, whether you live in San Diego or any part of the country. Let us learn more about torch-down roofing and how it can benefit you and help you save on your bills. Torch-down roofing, a smart choice aside from saving on bills, being durable, and making your home energy efficient. Let us find out more about these in more detail below. Energy efficiency. One of the main features of torch-down roofing installation is its energy efficiency. Modified bitumen has reflective properties that keep the home cooler even during hotter months. If the house stays cool, you incur lower expenses by minimizing the need for air conditioning. It also lowers the carbon footprint. This type of roofing will also reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainability and longevity. One of the main aspects of torch-down roofing is its durability, which stems from its eco-friendly nature. If you have used any other roofing material, homeowners usually change their roof once in a while, perhaps after a few years. But with torch-down roofing, you can avoid the expense instead. As such, the roof has considerable longevity too. In fact, an experienced roofer San Diego can suggest the best roofing material for your roof. Their expertise and exposure have made them so well versed with the need of the hour. Insulation is better. Having a well-insulated home means your haven is energy efficient. The roof has properties that regulate the room temperatures. It creates a comfortable ambience in your home. Since the room temperature is adaptable year-round, you have an optimal temperature year-round, which also helps with bills. Cost-effective initially, even if the cost of installation is higher than that of other roofing materials, the investment pays off in the long run. Aside from lower utility bills, the cost of maintaining such roofs is also much lower than replacing an entire roof or regular maintenance for roofs built with other materials. Easier to clean. Torch-down roofing is practical for cleaning debris and dirt. Since there are fewer joints and seams, the risk of debris and dirt getting into these crevices is also lower. As such, the need for maintenance is also less. Final thoughts in a nutshell. Having seen the various benefits you can enjoy with the installation of the torch-down roofing option, it is perhaps your best bet when it comes to roofing if budget is not a constraint. For the best quality in torch-down roofing material, seek the assistance of quality roofing experts at fordroofings.com. Working with the best in the business is always a wise decision. They have the necessary expertise and know how to execute the task seamlessly. In short, you can always count on them. Subscribe for more ideas.